In this video, we will show you how to use the Curls and Naturals Texturizer. It's excellent for softening your natural hair texture, enhancing your natural curl pattern, and providing professional looking waves and curls in minutes. Here are the products and materials we will be using: a large towel, an applicator brush, gloves, hard rubber wide tooth comb, petroleum jelly, and the Curls and Natural Texturizer Kit, which includes our neutralizing shampoo and leave-in conditioner.
Okay, we are going to do a texturizer on this model. We're going to apply a protective base around our hairline. Petroleum jelly would be a good choice. This is only as a protective measure. Apply your gloves. We're going to apply the texturizer. We're going to use an applicator brush, and we're going to apply this to our entire head as quickly as possible. Now, once you have your texturizer on completely over the head, you want to take a large tooth rubber comb and begin to loosen up her own natural curl pattern. Now, making sure you have the texturizer product everywhere you need it so she gets a smooth texturizer all the way over. Go back and apply when necessary. And you just want to watch the pattern release itself. So as you can see, the pattern, the wave is starting to stretch. So it's loosening her own natural pattern. And depending on the degree of wave you want, the longer you leave it on. I am satisfied with the wave pattern that she has because her hair is already soft and already natural. We just wanted to give her more manageability. Now we will shampoo this out and we'll come back with our styling products. For extra added protection, use the Curls and Naturals Conditioning Repair Mask for moisture. Rinse with tepid water. At this point, you want to towel dry. Then you want to apply generously your leave-in conditioner. As you can see, our texturizer came out perfectly. We achieved the desired texture that we wanted. So now we're going to apply the Curls and Naturals Defining Curl Custard.
Now that we've finished texturizing, here are some styles that you can do. Please also see the additional video demonstrations on how to create these styles.